Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to use Google NanoBanana to generate images in WordPress. Under the WordPress automatic plugin menu, click New Campaign. Select your desired source. Let's, for example, create articles using AI. Write your desired keywords. Move down till you find the AI integration box. Set the AI provider for image generation to Google Gemini. Enable this option to generate the image using AI. Write your desired prompt or leave the default one. Hit the Publish button. Click Run Now. A new post was generated successfully. A featured image was generated using Google NanoBanana. The featured image matches the title of the post. Let's check related options. To view the generation options, check this. Here you can select the generation model. Here you can set the aspect ratio of the image. Here you can set the image resolution. Thank you for watching. Plugin link is in the description.